Here in Comal ISD, the health and safety of our students, staff, and teachers is our number one priority. When custodians first arrive in the morning, they're going to focus their efforts on high-touch areas, such as the entrances, the water bottle filling stations, front office areas, restrooms, the gym, and the cafeteria, and they're going to clean all those areas with a peroxide-based disinfectant that's effective within 5 minutes of application. So when students show up for the day, they come into a clean environment, and all those areas will be cleaned continuously throughout the day. We'll also be supplying every classroom with a spray bottle of the peroxide-based disinfectant, as well as a microfiber towel to clean the classroom surfaces between classes. The microfiber rags have shown to be the most effective method of cleaning the desks after they've been treated with the hydrogen peroxide-based chemical. We'll also do ATB testing, which tests for living matter on the surfaces. The samples come back in about 15 seconds, and it gives us a good test of the cleanliness of any given area. The samples will give us a number anywhere between 0 and 10,000. If it's less than 200, that area is considered clean. Beginning on August 1st, the district also began switching out air filters in all schools with filters that have been recommended by the CDC to reduce the transmission of the virus through air ventilation systems. In addition, we periodically test environmental air quality on a regular basis. We will continue this practice as well to make sure that the indoor air quality of the buildings are at an acceptable level. In the event of an uptick in cases at a particular campus, the district has assembled a specialized crew of custodians and other personnel to respond to that campus and assist the on-site custodians with cleaning. We also have an agreement with our partner GermBlast that outlines that they will come and assist in the event of an uptick of cases and retreat the areas that were affected. To get more information, visit our Comal Parent Center at comalisd.org.